Welcome to Time for Change Kitchen. I'm Danielle Bassoni. Today I am going to combine several recipes that I've shown you already and I have separate videos for. One is for making fermented vegetables and the other is for making marinated beets. And so these are ready, and so now I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious sandwich in the world. It's very healthy and it's very beautiful. I call it my rainbow burger, although it's not a burger at all, it's a sandwich. And we'll get started. It's actually combining 3 recipes because I showed you earlier how to make our burger buns, which are avocado brioche, which was adapted from a recipe from the Vegan Corner. So this is really easy to make. Once you get your fermented vegetables done, you'll have enough to last you for a year. This will last several weeks in your refrigerator, and they will be useful in salads as a side dish or for your rainbow burgers. Okay, and this is just such a surprisingly delicious dish. You have 3 sweet vegetables. You have your avocado, which is technically a fruit, your sweet potato, and your beets. They're all sort of sweet types of foods, and you're juxtaposing that with a very sour, crunchy fermented vegetables. These are all very soft, and the combination is just out of this world, so I hope you'll try it. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take, now this is a little bit of an overripe avocado, which is perfect for this because you can just mash it on there. If you have one that's a little firm, you can just layer it. So we're going to do both the tops and the bottoms with this avocado. And so you don't need any other spread at all. And then we'll take some of this sweet potato, and I have cook this in the microwave. You can steam them or boil them or whatever it is you want to do. And I do take the peels off. Generally, I don't take the peels off of my potatoes, but when you're eating this and the peel is still on there, it may pull your sandwich apart. So it's not very useful way to do it. And so then we're going to take at least one of these. Maybe I'll find another little piece to put in here of these beets to put on here. And these are marinated in pineapple juice, or you can use fresh orange juice, ginger, and balsamic vinegar. And these are out of this world, and they're wonderful in all kinds of dishes. You can also mash this and use it to stuff ravioli with, and that's fantastic. Or you can take a little piece of it and mix in your ravioli dough to give it a pink color. It's a very useful dish. Okay, so we have our sweet vegetables and fruit, and then we're just going to take our fermented vegetables and put on top. Now I have taken these fermented vegetables and I squeeze the juice out of them. If you leave it really juicy, you're going to have a soggy sandwich. Okay, and you can put as much or as little as you'd like on it, but I like a lot of it. So there you have it. That's all there is to it. And this is amazingly delicious. I'm going to make another one. This one's for me, and the other one's for my husband. We have dedicated slots in our toaster to get our bread toasted exactly the way each of us likes it. That's why I know that one's for me. And you can use as little or much avocado as you like. We like a lot of it, so we use a lot. These, when you take the peels off of this, you may break your potato, but that makes no difference at all. Really nice big piece. So there you have it, a beautiful, healthy, delicious rainbow burger, which is actually just a sandwich. And I hope you'll try it and enjoy it as much as we do. I'm Danielle Basotti, serving up whole foods for whole health.